Could tell us your name and what church you serve.
My name is Dakon Kalab. I serve at Dever Basrat Kudus Garbe Beta Christian.
So I know you're a servant and a member of the Atlanta Mabara Kadusan Campus Ministry. And being a part of this, what do you think you've gained of being a member?
Well, for me, because I serve in the campus ministry, I was like experience as a teacher is the number one thing I gain. Also, friends in that service.
That's awesome to hear. And I'm pretty sure you heard about the 7th annual General Assembly that's going to be happening in Atlanta. What do you hope to gain out of that?
Well, for me, I think it's a good thing. Like the idea of like other sermons come from a different state. So like I'm expecting, like I'm getting excited for the sermons, for the discussion we're having, and also the fun activities that we plan to do.
Nice. Just make sure to mark down your calendar for July 18th to the 20th and make sure to pass on the word and invite your friends.